huge!
Yes, it's Dutch state-of-the-art technology. Go on, take a bite.
Aren't we supposed to peel them before eating?
No, not these. These are grown indoors and they are clean and quite sweet. Trust me.
Wow, it's so tasty! But why do you grow them in a greenhouse?
Now that's a good question. And there are a number of reasons. First of all, just as you are protected from harsh weather at home, so are the plants over here. We protect the plants from wind and extreme temperatures. Therefore, whether it is winter or summer, a closed greenhouse along with our cooling and heating technology lets us fully control the climate to grow the vegetables throughout the year.